কৃষ্ণ স্টুডিও চ্যানেলে আপনাকে স্বাগতম।
ধাম করবে কি আমাদের সমস্ত রিলেশনশিপকে ড্যামেজ করে।
Dharma destroys all of our relationship with the material world.
আমাদের এই বডিটাকেও ড্যামেজ করে দেবে।
And it even destroys this material body.
আমাদেরকে
Non solo con questo mondo, ma anche
And
con
it will
questo
give us
corpo.
the eternal form of the Lord's associate.
প্রেম দেবে, সেবা দেবে,
Dharma will give us prema and
তাকে
seva.
দেখাবে, তার কাছে
Il Dhamma ci dà
And it will
prema
show us the Lord and bring us to Him.
e ci mostra il Signore e ci porta a Lui.
That is why
সব জায়গায় শ্রীকৃষ্ণের মহিমার পাশাপাশি ধামের মহিমা বলা হয়েছে।
whenever Shri Krishna is glorified, His abode is also glorified.
Quindi
ভজনেরও মহিমা
ovunque
বলা হয়েছে।
il Signore venga glorificato, anche la sua dimora viene glorificata.
যেখানে যেখানে কৃষ্ণের মহিমা বলা হচ্ছে সেখানে সেখানে ধামের মহিমা বলা হচ্ছে, ভজনের মহিমা বলা হচ্ছে।
Wherever Shri Krishna is glorified, the writer also glorifies His Dham, His abode and His bhajan.
Quindi viene glorificato ovunque sia glorificato
Bhagavate
Krishna, anche la sua dimora viene glorificata.
শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবত বলছেন মথুরা ছিল সেই সময়ে যাদবগণের রাজধানী, ক্যাপিটাল ছিল।
Srimad Bhagavatam says that at that time Mathura was the capital of the Yaduvamsha.
Bhagavatam dice che Mathura era la capitale della Yaduvamsa.
এই মথুরা মণ্ডলের যে ঐশ্বর্য এবং মাধুর্য অনন্ত কোটি ব্রহ্মাণ্ডে কোথাও খুঁজে পাওয়া যাবে না।
The opulence and the sweetness of Mathura cannot be found in the entire universe.
La dolcezza e la bellezza di Mathura non possono essere viste da nessun'altra parte nell'intero universo.
এমনকি বৈকুণ্ঠেও খুঁজে পাওয়া যাবে না।
It can't be found even in Vaikuntha.
Addirittura nemmeno in Vaikuntha.
এখানে সব সময় নিত্যলীলা চলছে মথুরা মণ্ডলে।
In Mathura Mandala, the Lord's eternal pastimes always go on.
Gli eterni passatempi del Signore vanno avanti eternamente a Mathura Mandala.
এখানের অধিবাসী মানুষ, কীট পতঙ্গ, বৃক্ষ লতা যা কিছু সব শ্রীকৃষ্ণের অত্যন্ত প্রিয়।
Here, the Mathura Vasis, the tribals, the animals, the trees, the vines, and all living creatures are very dear to Shri Krishna.
Qui in Mathura Mandala sia le creature, gli esseri umani, che tutte le creature, le piante e gli animali sono molto molto cari al Signore Krishna.
তারা সবসময় শ্রীকৃষ্ণকে দর্শন করে কৃষ্ণের সেবা করে চিরকৃতার্থ।
And these living entities are eternally satisfied by seeing Shri Krishna and by being able to serve Him.
E queste entità viventi sono eternamente soddisfatte servendo il Signore e vedendolo.
ভগবানের এই নিত্যলীলা স্থল প্রাকৃত জগতের মতো নয়।
The place of the Lord's Nitya Lila is not an ordinary place.
La beatitudine dei Nitya Lila del Signore non è una beatitudine ordinaria.
কিন্তু আমাদেরকে কৃপা করতে সেই চিন্ময় ধাম মৃন্ময়ের মতো যেন মনে হচ্ছে সাধারণ স্থানের মতো সাজানো।
However, by the Lord's mercy, He manifested His eternal abode
চিন্ময়
in this
কিন্তু মনে হচ্ছে যেন
material world.
মৃন্ময়।
However, it is covered in such a way that it seems like a material place.
Però queste sue dimore spirituali sono coperte qui sulla terra in maniera tale che appaiono ai nostri occhi come posti ordinari, materiali.
যাদের প্রাকৃত চক্ষু তারা কিন্তু ধামকে সেইভাবে দেখতে পায় না।
And people with a materialistic vision aren't able to see the Dhamma in its true form.
Perché le persone con una visione materialista non sono in grado di vedere il Dhamma nella sua vera forma.
কারা দেখে বলেন যাদের প্রেম নেত্র আছে।
So who can see the Dhamma? only devotees who have the vision of prema.
Chi è che può vedere il Dham? Soltanto quei devoti che hanno la visione di
সাধন
prema.
করে প্রেম নেত্র লাভ করতে হবে।
By performing sadhana, we need to attain this prema vision.
তখন ধাম।
Seguendo il bhaja noi abbiamo bisogno di ottenere questa visione di prema.
And then we will be able to see the Dhamma.
Allora saremo in grado di vedere il Dham.
প্রেম না হলে ধামের চিন্ময় রূপ নিত্যলীলা দেখা যায় না।
Without prema, no one is able to see the spiritual form of the Dhamma and see the Lord's eternal pastimes.
E senza prema non è possibile vedere né la dimora spirituale né i divertimenti spirituali del Signore.
ধাম এবং ভগবান অভিন্ন।
Dhamma and the Lord are non-different.
Il Dhamma e il Signore non sono differenti.
উনি যেমন সচ্চিদানন্দময়, ধামও সচ্চিদানন্দময়, শ্রীকৃষ্ণের বিগ্রহ।
Just like the Lord is Satchitanandamoy, He is completely spiritual and transcendental. So is His Dhamma. His Dhamma is like His manifestation, His deity.
Quindi proprio come il Signore è Satchidanandamoy, totalmente trascendentale, allo stesso modo lo è il suo Dhamma che è come una sua divinità, una sua forma.
এই যে মথুরা মণ্ডল, মথুরা কি করে? যাদের যে কামনা, সমস্ত কামনাকে পূর্ণ করে।
And this Mathura Mandala is able to fulfill the desires of all living beings.
E il Mathura Mandala è in grado di soddisfare tutti i desideri di tutti gli esseri viventi.
যারা মুক্তি চায়, মুমুক্ষু, তাদেরকে মুক্তি দান করে।
Mumukhus that desire liberation are able to receive liberation from Mathura.
E la desiderata liberazione è possibile ottenerla a Mathura.
আর যারা ভক্তি চায়, তাদেরকে ভক্তি দেয়।
And if one desires bhakti, Mathura Mandala gives this bhakti to them.
E anche se uno desidera la bhakti, anche la bhakti è possibile ottenerla a Mathura.
জগতে এমন কে বুদ্ধিমান ব্যক্তি আছেন যে সেই মথুরা মণ্ডলকে আশ্রয় না করবেন?
What knowledgeable person in
ভক্তি
this
রসামৃত
world
সিন্ধু।
would not take shelter of Mathura Mandala? This is mentioned in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
ওখানে রেফারেন্স
Quindi bisogna
বৈকুণ্ঠের
prendere
থেকেও
rifugio
শ্রেষ্ঠ
in
মথুরা
Mathura,
মণ্ডল।
come viene
It is
menzionato
said that
nel
Mathura
Bhakti
Mandala is
Rasamrita.
even
Shri Krishna's
higher than
birthplace.
Vaikuntha, the birthplace of Shri Krishna.
এক হচ্ছে মথুরা বললে মথুরা রাজধানী, ক্যাপিটাল, আর মথুরা মণ্ডল বললে 84 ক্রোশ ব্রজমণ্ডল।
One place is Mathura, the capital, and Mathura Mandala means the entire Vrajamandala.
Mathura è la capitale.
প্রলয়ে যখন
Tutto
ব্রহ্মাণ্ড
Mathura
নষ্ট hয়ে
Mandala
যায়,
è tutta Vrajamandala,
And
tutta
when, at
l'area.
the end of time, the universe is destroyed.
ধাম নষ্ট হয় না।
The Dhamma is never destroyed.
E quando viene il tempo della distruzione, tutto viene distrutto
Proloe
tranne il
compone.
Dhamma.
ধামকে স্পর্শ করতে পারে না।
The shaking of the destruction of the world isn't able to touch the Dhamma.
Lo scuotimento della distruzione non è in grado di toccare il Dhamma.
শঙ্খ, চক্র, গদা, পদ্ম সবসময় ধামকে রক্ষা করছে চারিদিকে।
The Lord's conch, mace, chakra, and lotus
পার্শ্ব
always protect the Dhamma, and so do all his associates.
Il chakra, il loto e tutti i simboli del Signore sono in grado di proteggere il Dhamma e tutti i suoi associati.
অন্যান্য যে সমস্ত স্থান রয়েছে, কাশী, কাঞ্চি, অবন্তী, মায়া, অযোধ্যা, দ্বারকা বলেন, তারা মুক্তি দেয়।
And other holy places like Kashi, Avanti, and others are only able to give liberation.
E in tutti gli altri luoghi menzionati è possibile ottenere soltanto la liberazione.
কিন্তু মুক্তগণ যে প্রার্থনা করেন ভক্তি, সেই ভক্তি এই মথুরা মণ্ডল দেন।
However, the liberated souls continuously pray for bhakti, and bhakti can only be given by Mathura Mandala.
E le anime liberate pregano costantemente per ottenere la bhakti e la bhakti può essere ottenuta soltanto a Mathura Mandala.
সেই মথুরা মণ্ডলে প্রাচীনকালে সুরসেন নামক যদুপতি নিবাস করতেন।
And in the past, the king of the Yadus, named Surasena, used to rule Mathura.
Nel passato un re della dinastia degli Yadu, Surasena, governava Mathura.
সেই যদুবংশেই শ্রীকৃষ্ণের ফাদার বসুদেব মহাশয় সুরনন্দন
In this very Yaduvamsha, Vasudeva, the father of Shri Krishna, took birth.
বসুদেব মহাশয় সেই
In
মথুরাতে নিবাস
questa
করতেন।
dinastia che nacque il padre di Krishna.
And Vasudeva was staying in
Vasudeva.
Mathura,
তার ওয়াইফ দেবকী।
and his wife was Devaki.
E la sua moglie era Vasudeva, poi sua moglie era Devaki.
শ্রী সুখদেব বর্ণনা করছেন দেবকী বসুদেবের বিবাহ লীলা।
Shri Shukadeva describes the marriage lila of Vasudeva and Devaki.
E Sukadeva descrive i passatempi del matrimonio
সেই
tra
ফেস্টিভ্যালে
Vasudeva e
কংস
Devaki.
নিজে ড্রাইভার হয়ে রথকে পরিচালনা করছিলেন।
During that festival, Kamsa himself began driving the chariot of Vasudeva and Devaki.
E durante questo festival lo stesso Kamsa guidava il carro delle nozze di Vasudeva e Devaki.
সেই সময় মথুরার কিং ছিলেন, প্রিন্স ছিলেন উগ্রসেন।
At the time, the king of Mathura was Ugrasena,
A quel tempo il re di Mathura era Ugrasena
আর উগ্রসেনের পুত্র হচ্ছে কংস।
and the son of Ugrasena was Kamsa.
e Kamsa era il figlio.
কে এই কংস? বলেন হিরণ্যকশিপুরের ভ্রাতা হিরণ্যাক্ষের পুত্র কালনেমি।
Who is this Kamsa? He is the son of Hiranyakashipu's brother Hiranyaksha, called Kalanemi.
Sì, con-
Kamsa è il figlio del fratello di Hiranyaksha
And it is Kalanemi who was born as Kamsa.
সে রথ চালনা করছিল।
e
And
che
he
era
was the
nato
one who was
come
driving the
Kamsa.
chariot.
হঠাৎ দৈববাণী হলো, আকাশের থেকে আওয়াজ আসছে, ডেমিগডরা জানালো
And suddenly a voice came from the skies. It was the voice of the demigods.
E improvvisamente
Ehi,
si
devo
sentì
dire-
una voce dal cielo che era una voce di Deva che diceva
অষ্টম গর্ভের সন্তান তোমাকে হত্যা করবে।
And the voice said that the eighth son of Devaki would be the death of Kamsa.
e diceva questa voce dal cielo che l'ottavo figlio di Devaki sarebbe stato la morte per Kamsa.
তখন
Sì.
কংস দেবকীকে হত্যা করতে উদ্যত হলো।
And then Kamsa took out his sword in order to kill Devaki.
E immediatamente quindi Kamsa sfoderò la spada per uccidere Devaki.
বসুদেব মহাশয় অনেক বোঝালেন,
And Vasudeva Mahashaya tried various things in order to pacify Kamsa.
E Vasudeva Mahashaya cercò di rapacificare Kamsa.
শেষে বললেন যতগুলো পুত্র হবে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 বলে সব তোমার হ্যান্ডে দিয়ে দেবো, তোমার হাতে দেবো।
And at the end, Vasudeva told Kamsa, all of the sons that I have, 1 to 8, I will give all of them in your hands.
Quindi Vasudeva disse per calmarti ti prometto che ti darò tutti i miei figli dal primo all'8º.
And only then did Kamsa let Devaki go.
E soltanto allora Kamsa lasciò andare Devaki.
এইভাবে বিবাহ দেবকী বসুদেবের বিবাহ হলো।
In this way, the marriage of Vasudeva and Devaki occurred.
1 year, first year gone.
And 1 year had passed by.
E così insomma si concluse il matrimonio e un anno era trascorso
প্রথম একটা পুত্র হলো।
And then one of their sons took birth.
e il primo figlio ebbe nascita.
তার নাম কীর্তিমান।
And his name was Kirtiman.
Kirtiman era il suo
বসুদেব
nome.
মহাশয় নিয়ে কংসের হাতে দিলেন, এই নিন, it is yours।
Vasudeva Mahashaya took his son and gave him
E
in the
come
hands of Kamsa.
promesso Vasudeva Mahashaya diede questo figlio nelle mani di Kamsa.
কংস বলল, একে নিয়ে আমি কি করবো?
And Kamsa said, what will I do with this child?
E Kamsa disse ma che devo
Dopo.
fare
You
con
can
questo
go.
bambino?
এই সময় দেবর্ষি নারদ এসে উপস্থিত হলেন।
But at that time, Devarshi Narada came.
Però in
দেবতারা,
quel
demigodরা
momento
দেবর্ষি
arrivò
নারদকে
Devarshi
The
Narada.
demigods sent Devarshi Narada to go to Kamsa.
কেন ডেমিগডরা চান
But why?
perché gli era stato ordinato andare a eliminare la Kamsa.
যদি যাদবদের উপরে অত্যাচার না হয়, দেবকী বসুদেবের উপরে অত্যাচার না হয়, ভক্ত যদি দুঃখ না পায়, ভক্ত যদি প্রার্থনা না করে, ভগবান তাড়াতাড়ি আসবেন না।
The demigods thought that if Kamsa will not cause immense cruelty to the Yadu dynasty, to Vasudev, to Devaki, and cause miseries for all the devotees, the Lord will not come too quick.
Praticamente il motivo è che se Kamsa non avesse manifestato appieno tutta la sua crudeltà, il Signore avrebbe ritardato a venire.
যেমন সমস্ত দেবতারা যখন ভগবান মহাবিষ্ণুকে প্রার্থনা করছিলেন, মহাবিষ্ণু বললেন হিরণ্যকশিপু মরবে, কিন্তু কখন মরবে? যখন প্রহ্লাদকে কষ্ট দেবে, দুঃখ দেবে, তখন আমি তাকে মারব।
Just like when the demigods prayed to the Lord in order to protect them from the demon Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha Mahavishnu said that he will appear, but only when Prahlada Maharaj goes through various sufferings and prays to him.
È proprio come quando i Deva pregavano Kshirodakasha e Vishnu di liberarli da Hiranyakashipu e lui rispose che sarebbe apparso soltanto quando le sofferenze di Prahlad Maharaj sarebbero state intollerabili.
দেবর্ষি নারদ এসে বললেন কংসকে,
Devarshi Narada came and told Kamsa,
এই যাদবরা কারা? এরা দেবতা।
these Yadavas are
They are all
actually
Yadav is
demigods.
demigods.
E Narada andò da Kamsa e gli disse: guarda che tutti questi Yadu sono tutti Deva.
আর গোকুলে যে সমস্ত গোপরা রয়েছেন, বলেন ওরা সমস্ত দেবতা।
And all of the cowards from Gokul, all of them are demigods.
E tutti i pastori che vengono da Gokula, guarda che sono tutti Deva.
Devas and Devis.
আর
Sono
তুমি
tutti
হচ্ছ
Deva e
কালনেমি,
And you are Kalanemi.
তোমাকে বিষ্ণু আসবে এবার, বিষ্ণু।
So this time Vishnu will come himself
Quindi questo
তোমাকে হত্যা
tempo
করবে।
in order to destroy you.
allo scopo di distruggere.
এই জন্য তুমি সাবধান হয়ে যাও, ওয়াকিবহাল হও।
That is why you must always be careful.
Quindi tu devi stare sempre attento.
তখন কংস দেবকীর প্রথম পুত্রটাকে হত্যা করল।
And then Kamsa killed the first son of
E fu così
Devaki.
che Kamsa uccise anche il primo figlio di Deva.
যাদবদের উপরে অত্যাচার আরম্ভ করলো, গোপদের উপরে অত্যাচার আরম্ভ করলো।
And he started attacking the Yadavas and the Gopas.
E iniziò ad attaccare gli Yadava e i Gopa.
তারা ভয়ে ক্যাপিটাল মথুরা ছেড়ে পালিয়ে অন্যান্য জায়গায় লুকিয়ে গেল।
And in fear, all of them began running away from Mathura and began staying in different places.
অন্যান্য
E
কান্ট্রি
quindi
চলে
tutti
গেল,
loro
অন্যান্য দেশে
iniziarono a
চলে
scappare via da
গেল।
Mathura a
To
prendere
different states,
রাজ্যে
different kingdoms.
in vari luoghi, in
ডিফারেন্ট
vari
স্টেটে তারা চলে গেল।
They all left to different states.
differenti
এক এক
stati.
করে দেবকীর 6টা পুত্রকে কংস মেরে ফেললো 6 ইয়ার্স।
One by one, Kamsa killed all of the 6 sons of Devaki within 6 years.
E uno dopo l'altro Kamsa uccise tutti
Understanding.
i suoi figli di Devaki, uno all'anno.
এইবার সপ্তম গর্ভ এসে গেল সেই সময়।
And at that time, the 7th son of Devaki was about to take birth.
7 সন হয়ে কে আসছেন? স্বয়ং
Era
অনন্তদেব
il tempo
বলরাম
in
আসছেন।
cui Devaki stava
বলরাম
per dare la luce
Balaram
il
was about
settimo
to be born
figlio.
as the son of
Balaram
Devaki.
stava per nascere.
দেবকীর গর্ভে এসেছেন।
He appeared in the womb of Devaki.
Apparve nel grembo di Devaki.
তখন ভগবান যোগমায়াকে আদেশ করছেন,
And then the Lord ordered Yogamaya,
যাও তুমি ব্রজমণ্ডলে যাও।
go to Rajamandala.
E per ordine di Yogamaya disse:
দেবকী
portalo a Brajamandala.
দেবকীর সপ্তম গর্ভে যে বেবি আছে তাকে আকর্ষণ করে বসুদেবের পত্নী রোহিণী গোকুলে আছে নন্দভবনে, সেই রোহিণীর গর্ভে স্থাপন করো।
And transfer the 7th son of Devaki from her womb into the womb of Rohini, who lives in the palace of Nanda Maharaj in Gokul.
E quindi trasferì il settimo figlio dal grembo di Devaki al grembo di Rohini che viveva nel palazzo di Nanda Maharaj.
বলরাম 7 months ছিলেন দেবকীর গর্ভে আর 7 months ছিলেন রোহিণীর গর্ভে।
Balaram stayed in the womb of
14
Devaki
months
for
after
7 months
ওনার জন্ম।
and stayed in the womb of Rohini for 7 months, and after 14 months he took birth. In this way he has 2 mothers.
বলরামের 2 মাদার।
E Balaram ha 2 madri perché stette 7 mesi nel grembo di Devaki
তিনি দেবকী
e
নন্দন,
altri
তিনি
7
রোহিণী
mesi
নন্দন।
nel
So he is
grembo
both
di
Devaki Nanda and Rohini Nanda.
14 mesi in tutto.
ওই জন্য বলা হয় রোহিণী নন্দন বল রাম নিত্যানন্দ।
That is why we sing Rohini Nandana Ram Nityananda.
È per questo che cantiamo Rohini Nanda Ram Nityananda.
তারপরে ভগবান বলছেন আমি সমস্ত অংশাংশে পরিপূর্ণ হয়ে সকলকে নিয়ে এইবার আমি দেবকীর গর্ভে যাব, অষ্টম গর্ভে।
And then the Lord said, I will appear as the 8th son of Devaki, along with all of my parts and parcels.
Quindi il Signore disse io apparirò come l'8º figlio di Devaki insieme a tutte le mie parti.
তোমাকে যশোদার কন্যা হতে হবে।
And he told Yogamaya to be born as the daughter of Yashoda.
E disse a Yogamaya che voleva nascere come figlio di madre Yasoda.
তুমি যদি আমার এই অর্ডারটাকে পালন করো, আজ্ঞা পালন করো, জগতে তোমার আমার মতোই সম্মান হবে, পূজা হবে।
And he told Yogamaya, if you will follow my orders, then the entire world will respect you and worship you.
Quindi Krishna disse a Yogamaya, se tu esegui il mio ordine, tutto il mondo ti adorerà e ti rispetterà.
যোগমায়া এলেন, এসে দেবকীর সপ্তম গর্ভকে আকর্ষণ করে রোহিণী গোকুলে ছিলেন নন্দভবনে, রোহিণীর গর্ভে স্থাপন করেন।
Yogamaya came into this world and transferred Balaram from the womb of Devaki into the womb of Rohini, who stayed in the palace of Nanda Maharaj in Gokul.
Quindi Yogamaya trasferì Balaram dal grembo di Devaki al grembo di Rohini che stava nel palazzo di Nanda Maharaj a Gokula.
এরপরে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ তিনি বসুদেবের হৃদয়ে প্রবেশ করলেন।
After that, Sri Krishna entered the heart of Vasudeva.
বসুদেবের হার্টের থেকে দেবকীর হার্টে গেলেন।
And from the heart of Vasudeva, he entered the heart of Devaki.
Quindi Krishna apparve
সাধারণ সন্তানের মতো জন্ম
e
নয়,
Vasudeva
His
nel suo
birth
cuore
is
হার্টের থেকে হার্টে যাবে।
Of an ordinary child, he entered into the hearts of his
মাইন্ডের
parents.
থেকে মাইন্ডে,
perché non è
He
quindi un
entered
bambino
into their
ordinario.
minds.
যেমন ভক্তি মাইন্ডের থেকে মাইন্ডে যায়।
Da
Just
cuore
like
a cuore e
bhakti
dalla
enters
mente.
from one heart to the other, it reflects in the hearts of others.
ভক্তি মহারানী
La
মাইন্ডের
bhakti,
থেকে মাইন্ডে যায়,
come la
হার্টের
bhakti
থেকে হার্টে
che
যায়।
dal
Bhakti
cuore
comes from one
si
heart to the
trasferisce
other as
a
a
un altro
reflection.
cuore per
Your
riflesso.
heart have Bhakti Maharani now sitting. Are you praying? তখন
Il tuo
তোমার
cuore
হার্টের
adesso
থেকে আমার হার্টে আসবে।
a Bhakti
When Bhakti
Reflect
Maharani
হবে।
e io
stays in
prego
your heart,
perché
Just like
la Bhakti venga
Bhakti
al mio
Maharani
cuore.
will also reflect in my heart, just like light does.
ভগবানের জন্ম আমাদের মতো ব্লাডে হয় না।
The Lord's birth doesn't take place just like our birth through blood connection.
Quindi la
Father,
nascita
mother,
del Signore non è
connection
dovuta
এর মতো না।
a una connessione di sangue.
হার্টের থেকে হার্টে আসে।
He is
Viene
related to his mother and father
cuore a
through their
cuore,
hearts.
dal cuore del padre al cuore della madre.
বসুদেবের হার্টের থেকে দেবকীর হার্টে গেলেন, কিন্তু যেহেতু নরলীলা হচ্ছে তখন দেবকীর গর্ভলক্ষণ প্রকাশ পেল।
Even though the Lord entered Vasudev's heart, and from there he entered Devaki's heart, as the Lord was performing his human pastimes, it seemed that Devaki was now pregnant.
quindi poiché
Norollila হবে না।
anche se da
Without
cuore a cuore
pregnancy,
c'era questa
this human
connessione,
pastime
però
wouldn't be able to
apparve
take
come
place.
se Devaki fosse in gravidanza.
দেখুন নৃসিংহদেবের কিন্তু মাতা পিতা নেই।
See, Nrsimhadeva does not have
Who is Nrsimhadeva's father?
a mother or father.
Come Nrsimhadeva che non ha né padre né madre, ma ha una pietra,
Pila.
viene da una pietra. da una colonna.
বরাহদেবের মাতা পিতা আছে? হ্যাঁ।
Does Varahadev has a mother or father?
Varahdeva ha madre e
Brahma
padre,
sneezed, and Varahadev appeared from his nostril.
কিন্তু কুর্ম,
lui è apparso dalla
ধন্বন্তরী, মোহিনী
The Vantari,
একটাই
così
মাতার
Kurma,
মাতা,
at that time, they had no
Matsya,
parents or
ঋষ,
mothers.
Dambartari, tutti questi avatar hanno
অনন্তদেব, হ্যাঁ মাদার ফাদার।
Antadeva, non hanno padre e madre,
ফাদার মাদার কোথায় লাগে? যেখানে
come
নরলীলা।
Dambartari che è nato dal frullio dell'oceano.
They only exist in Naralila. And
E
the
questi
human
মানে
dynasty.
tradition লাগে
esistono
ফাদার,
solo
গ্র্যান্ডফাদার, মাদার।
Their
genitori del
Lord has a
Signore.
dynasty, a tradition,
Il
a
Signore ha
mother
una
and father.
dinastia, ha una
Krishna
tradizione,
Lila
ha un padre
Naralila.
e una
And Sri
madre.
Krishna's pastime is Naralila.
I passatempi di Krishna sono
E
definiti
io non
Nara
vado
Lila,
alla-
cioè
That is why he
simili
needs
a
a mother and
una
a father.
গর্ভ লক্ষণ প্রকাশ পেল।
And in this way, it seemed that Sri Krishna was in the womb of Devaki.
Quindi in questo modo sembra che Krishna
Brahma.
fosse nel grembo di Devaki.
মহাদেব সমস্ত দেবতা মুনি ঋষি জানতে পারলেন যে
Brahma,
ভগবান
Mahadev,
তিনি দেবকীর মধ্যে অবস্থান করছেন।
all of the demigods, the Munis and Rishis now knew that the Lord will appear as the son of Devaki.
Quindi tutti Brahma, Mahadeva, tutti i Deva, tutti i Rishi capirono che adesso il Signore sarebbe apparso nel grembo di Devaki.
প্রথম বিবাহের পরে দেবকীর সঙ্গে প্রথম যখন পুত্র জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল, নারদ এসে বললেন এরা সব দেব দেবী দেবীগণ জন্ম নিয়েছে। তখনই কংস করেছিল কি, দেবকী বসুদেবকে জেলে অ্যারেস্ট করে দিয়েছিল যাতে পালিয়ে না যায়।
When, after 1 year of marriage, Devaki had her first son that was killed by Kamsa, after Narada Muni said that all of the Yadavamsha were actually demigods. In fear, Kamsa decided to imprison Devaki and Vasudev so that they had no chance to escape.
Quindi dopo che Devarshi Narada aveva detto che a Kamsa che tutti in realtà della dinastia Yadu erano dei Deva e che quindi erano tutti pericolosi, lui per paura mise, imprigionò Devaki e Vasudeva in modo da avere insomma sotto controllo la nascita dei loro figli.
তখন দেবকী বসুদেব কোথায় ছিল? জেলে ছিল।
And at that time, Devaki and Vasudev stayed in the prison.
E stavano
শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কোথায়
in
আসছেন?
prigione.
জেলে।
Where Sri Krishna appeared, he appeared in the
E
jail.
quindi
মাতা
dov'è che
পিতা
è apparso?
কংস
Il
কারাগারে
Signore è
আবদ্ধ।
apparso in
His
prigione.
mother and father was imprisoned in the jail of Kamsa.
Perché
সেইখানে
padre,
ব্রহ্মাদি
mamma e papà
দেবতাগণ
erano
এসে
nella
স্তুতি
prigione
করছে।
di Kamsa.
And in this prison, Brahma and all the other demigods came to glorify the Lord.
E in questa prigione Brahma e tutti i Deva vennero per
Brahma,
glorificare
Mahadev, the
দেবকীর
demigods
মধ্যস্থিত ভগবানের স্তব করছেন তারা, গর্ভস্তুতি।
began glorifying the Lord who was now in the womb of Devaki, and this glorification is called Garvastuti.
দশম
Quindi
স্কন্ধে
tutti questi Deva, Muni e Rishi che vennero nella stanza
And this
di prigione
Garvastuti
dove
is
vivevano
described in the second chapter of the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam.
e questa glorificazione viene chiamata
তারা রোজ
Karma
স্তুতি করছে,
Stuti e,
স্তব করছে।
si trova nel
And
decimo
they
canto.
began praising the Lord, glorifying and praying to Him.
Iniziarono a glorificare e pregare il Signore.
দেখতে দেখতে ফার্স্ট মান্থ, সেকেন্ড মান্থ, থার্ড মান্থ, 4 month, 5 months, 6, 7, 8 months চলে গেল।
In this way, they would glorify the Lord each day, and 8 months had passed in such a manner.
E quindi in questo modo passarono 8 mesi
এর মধ্যে
perché tutti i giorni loro glorificavano il Signore.
এর মধ্যে বলরাম গোকুলে জন্ম নিলেন। বলরামের জন্ম কোথায় হয়েছে? গোকুলে, রোহিণী পুত্রতে।
In the meantime, Balaram was born as Rohini's son in Gokula.
Nel frattempo Balaram era nato come figlio di Rohini a Gokula.
দেবকীর গর্ভ কতদিনে? বলেন 8 months।
The Lord stayed in the womb of Devaki for 8 months.
কিন্তু
Il Signore
পূর্ণ
stette
সময়
nel
হচ্ছে
grembo
10 মাস।
di Devaki per 8 mesi.
10 months।
However, the complete time is 10 months.
Ma la gravidanza
কিন্তু
completa è 10
দেবকীর গর্ভ তখন মাত্র 8 মাস।
But Sri Krishna stayed in the womb of Devaki for only 8 months.
Ma Krishna stette solo
অসমাপ্ত
8
গর্ভ,
mesi nel
গর্ভ
grembo
পরিপূর্ণ
di Devaki.
হয়নি।
In this way, his time in her womb was incomplete.
Quindi era come se non fosse completo.
Understanding? বেবি পরিপূর্ণ বডি লাভ করে 10 মান্থে।
The child gains his complete form after 10 months within the womb.
Perché il bambino prende la sua forma completa in
Only
10
8
mesi.
months.
Sri Krishna
Ma
was only
Krishna
8 months,
stette solo 8 mesi.
এই সময়টা এসে উপস্থিত হল।
and he appeared during this time.
E lui
This
apparve
time,
dopo questi 8 mesi,
ভাদ্র মাস,
During the month of Bhadra,
nel mese di
আগস্ট,
Madra,
সেপ্টেম্বর,
agosto,
কৃষ্ণপক্ষ, ব্ল্যাক মুন,
during the dark moon, Krishna
durante
Paksha,
la luna nera,
অষ্টমী,
on the day, the
তিথি,
Ashtami,
nel giorno di Astami,
অষ্টমী,
the lunar day was Ashtami.
il giorno
জন্মাষ্টমী বলা
lunare
হয়।
That is
era
why it is called
Astami.
তিথি is
Janmashtami.
অষ্টমী।
Per questo diciamo Janmastami.
নক্ষত্র ইজ রোহিণী।
And the nakshatra of that day was Rahini.
Invece Nakshatra è il
এবং
giorno
যোগ, হর্ষণ যোগ, ইট ইজ অ্যাস্ট্রোলজিক্যাল সাবজেক্ট। মান্থ, পক্ষ, তিথি, ডে, বার, বুধবার,
And the day
Wednesday.
was Wednesday.
il giorno della settimana era mercoledì.
আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং দ্যাট ডে ইজ ওয়েনেসডে।
Quel giorno era
সানডে নয়, মনডে নয়, টুইসডে নয়, ওয়েনেসডে।
mercoledì.
মর্নিং নয়, ইভিনিং নয়, নুন নয়,
Non era né giorno
নাইট টাইম,
né,
12 o'clock.
né pomeriggio ma notte.
that time in sky is half moon, half moon.
E in quel momento nel cielo apparve la luna. Mezzaluna, half moon.
কৃষ্ণ অষ্টমীর মধ্যরাত্রি,
During the midnight of Krishna Ashtami,
মিডল নাইট,
A
নাও
mezzanotte.
টাইম। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং?
Dite?
বার্থ প্লেস ইজ ভাগবতম সেই সুখদেব। বার্থ প্লেস ইজ মথুরা,
Sottolineo ci
in
dice
jail.
che il suo luogo di nascita è Mathura in prigione.
এবং কি রূপে জন্ম নিচ্ছেন? শঙ্খ চক্র গদা পদ্ম নিয়ে।
and in what form did he take birth? In the form that had 4 arms, holding the conch, the mace, the chakra, and the lotus flower.
E apparve in che forma? Nella forma a 4 braccia con la
Ornaments all.
il loto, la mazza
মুকুট, কিরিট,
e il chakra e la corona.
অঙ্গে অঙ্গে অর্নামেন্টস,
Tutti gli
His entire body
ornamenti,
was decorated
blue
with
color,
il corpo
yellow
era
cloth,
decorato,
and
abiti
bonawala,
gialli, la carnagione
garland,
blu,
costume.
ghirlande, la gemma costuba.
আচ্ছা, বেবি কি এইভাবে জন্ম নেয়?
Can a baby take birth in such a form?
Un bambino
They
può
are not
prendere
baby.
nascita in questa forma? ma non era
এই রূপে জন্ম নিলেন।
In this form, he took birth.
e lui in questa forma prese nascita.
পিতা স্তুতি করছে, প্রণাম করছে, প্রেয়ার করছে, মা স্তুতি করছে, প্রণাম করছে, প্রেয়ার করছে।
His father and his mother began glorifying him, praising him, and praying to him.
E suo padre e sua madre iniziarono a glorificarlo e a pregarlo.
দেয়ার ঐশ্বর্য ভাব।
As there they have Aishwarya Bhava.
দেবকী
Perché
বসুদেব
loro
নো
avevano l'Aishwarya Bhava, questo sentimento di maestria, di
Devaki and Vasudev
reverenza.
know that their son is the Lord.
Devaki non lo vedeva come suo
আর
figlio,
উনিও কথা বললেন
ma come il
And the
Signore.
Lord spoke to them.
যে তোমরা পূর্ব জন্মে কৃষ্ণী সুতপা ছিলে, আমি জন্ম নিয়েছিলাম এই রূপে।
That in the past you performed serious austerities to attain me as your son. That
E il
is why I
Signore
took
disse
birth in
loro,
your
nelle
family.
vite passate precedenti voi avete fatto delle grandi austerità per ottenermi come figlio.
তোমরা কশ্যপ অতিথি ছিলে, আমি বামন রূপে জন্ম নিয়েছি, এইভাবে।
When you were Kashyapa,
Four
I
hands.
took the form of Vamana, and Shri Krishna spoke to them in his four-armed form.
তোমরাও তৃতীয়বার জন্ম নিয়েছো, আমিও এইবার তৃতীয়বার এলাম। এই তিনবার এলাম।
This is your third birth in this world, and this is my third appearance.
তোমরা আমাকে পুত্র
Dicendo
রূপে
che
চেয়েছিলে।
You
loro
desired
erano
me as
stati
your son.
genitori suoi anche in altre manifestazioni,
Toposcia
che
Gurucina.
questa
And you
era
performed
la,
various
loro,
austerities.
la sua terza nascita e loro era per la terza volta genitori, suoi genitori.
এই জন্য আমাকে এই রূপে আসতে হয়েছে।
That is why I had to come in this form.
Per questo io sono venuto in questa forma.
দেবকী বললেন, তুমি তোমার এই রূপকে গোপন করে নাও, সকলকে এইভাবে দেখা দিও।
And Devaki asked the Lord to hide this form, to not show it to anyone.
Ma Devaki pregò il Signore di nascondere questa forma per non farsi accorgere da nessuno.
That time উনি চতুর্ভুজকে গোপন করে সাধারণ নরশিশু হয়ে গেলেন।
And then Shri Krishna hid his four-armed form and appeared like an ordinary
Il
little baby.
Signore nascose questa forma maestosa e si fece vedere come un piccolo bambino.
এবং বসুদেব মহাশয়কে আদেশ করলেন যে যমুনার ওপারে গোকুলে নন্দভবনে আমাকে নিয়ে রেখে এসো।
And he ordered Vasudev Mahashaya to take him across Yamuna and hide him in Gokul,
E ordinò a
in the
Vasudeva
palace of Nanda Maharaj.
Mahashaya di prenderlo e attraversando la Yamuna di portarlo a Gokula nella casa di Nanda.
সেখানে যে যশোদার কন্যা হয়েছে সেই কন্যাকে নিয়ে এখানে এসো।
And take the daughter of Maya Shoda that just took birth in place of me.
E di prendere al posto suo la figlia di Nanda Yasoda che era appena nata.
বসুদেব মহাশয় যখন তার নিজের পুত্রকে নিয়ে আর গোকুলে যেতে ইচ্ছা করলেন, সেই সময় যশোদার কন্যা যোগমায়া জন্ম নিল।
And at that time that Vasudev
সেই
desired
মিডিল নাইটে
to take his son to Gokula, Yogamaya took birth as the daughter of Maya Shoda also during the midnight.
Quindi Vasudeva fece quanto gli era stato ordinato, nel frattempo proprio a mezzanotte era nata Yogamaya.
এবং সঙ্গে সঙ্গে মায়াকে বিস্তার করে সকলকে ঘুম পাড়িয়ে দিল, সব ঘুমে অচেতন।
And at the
All
same
sleeping.
time, Yogamaya manifested her power of Maya and made sure that everyone fell asleep in the middle of the night.
সব
E
মথুরার
in
সবাই
quel
ঘুমিয়ে
momento
গেছে,
Yogamaya
গোকুলের সবাই
manifestò la
ঘুমিয়ে
sua
গেছে।
Shakti di Maya
Everyone fell
e
into
fece in
deep
modo
sleep, and so
che
did everyone
tutti
in
si
Gokula.
addormentassero.
কেউ এই লীলাকে দেখতে পেল না, জানতে পেল না,
No one was able to see this Leela or get to know about it.
সবাই ঘুমাচ্ছে।
Nessuno fu in grado di
Everyone fell
accorgersi
asleep.
di
অচৈতন্য
questa lila
সেন্সলেস হয়ে গেছে।
perché tutti
They fell
dormivano,
unconscious without
erano
senses.
incoscienti.
বসুদেব মহাশয় যমুনা পার হয়ে নন্দভবনে গোকুলে গিয়ে নিজের পুত্রকে রেখে এলেন, দেবকী নন্দনকে, এবং যশোদার কন্যাকে নিয়ে এপারে এসে দেবকীর কোলে দিলেন।
Vasudev Mahashaya crossed the river of Yamuna, came to Gokula, kept his son Devaki Nanda in the palace of Nanda Maharaj, took Maya Shoda's daughter, crossed Yamuna once again and placed the daughter of Mayashoda in the laps of Devaki.
Quindi Vasudeva Mashaya fece tutto questo, portò Krishna attraversando la Yamuna nella stanza dove c'era Madre Yasoda, mentre tutti erano incoscienti, lei compresi, prese la bimba Yogamaya e la riportò indietro e l'appoggiò sul grembo di Devaki.
তাহলে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কে হলেন? বসুদেবের পুত্র দেবকী নন্দন, উনি দেবকীর পুত্র, উনি বাসুদেব।
So then, who is Shri Krishna? The son of Devaki, the son of Vasudev, Devaki Nandan.
তাহলে শ্রীকৃষ্ণের আসল পিতামাতাকে দেবকী বসুদেব।
So who are the real parents of Krishna? Devaki and Vasudev?
তাহলে নন্দ মহারাজ এবং যশোদা মাতা তাকে আপন পুত্র বলে পালন করেছেন, কিন্তু পুত্র তো দেবকী।
And Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda only took care of Krishna as their own son. However, he was the son of Devaki.
Quindi di chi era figlio Krishna? Di Devaki e
কিন্তু
Vasudeva.
ভাগবতের
Nanda
বর্ণনা
Maharaj e
ক্লিয়ার
Yasoda si
It
presero
is clearly
cura di
described in
lui,
Srimad
ma lui
Bhagavatam.
era figlio di Devaki e Vasudeva.
তাহলে
Questo
কি
è
শ্রীকৃষ্ণ,
descritto nello Srimad Bhagavatam.
স্বয়ং ভগবান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কি যশোদার পুত্র নয়, নন্দ মহারাজের পুত্র নয়?
So then, the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna is not the son of Nanda Maharaj, he is not the son of Mayashoda.
Quindi il Signore Supremo non è figlio di Nanda Maharaj, non è figlio di
He is
Yasoda,
the four-armed
এ আর
Narayana.
চতুর্ভুজ নারায়ণ।
As in Mathura, he appeared as the Chaturbhuj Narayana.
lui è apparso a Mathura come Chaturbhuj Narayana.
দেবকী বসুদেব তো জানেন ইনি ভগবান,
Devaki and Vasudeva know that he is
আর
the
উনিও
Lord.
কথা বললেন,
And the Lord even spoke to them.
E Vasudeva sapevano che
পাস্ট
lui era
লাইফ হিস্ট্রি
Bhagavan.
বললেন।
And he told them about the life history of their past.
E lui gli ha ricordato anche le
কিন্তু নন্দ যশোদা মা তো শ্রীকৃষ্ণকে ভগবান বলে জানেনও না, মানেনও না, কেউ মানে না। মানে ভাগ
Mayashoda and Nanda Maharaj do not
My
know
son
that Shri Krishna
never
is the
got-
Lord, and they do not believe in it.
Ma Yasoda e Vasudeva non
Storia, bella
scusate,
storia.
e Nanda Maharaj non credevano che lui era il Signore, pensavano
বলে
fosse
ইওর সন
il loro figlio.
গড, বলে নেভার।
If someone tells them that their son is the Lord, they
My
say
son.
never.
E quando gli dicevano che lui era il Signore, ma non ci credevano mai, insomma.
তাহলে আবার আস্কড
Impossibile,
So
impossibile.
we may have a question.
Quindi potremmo
যে
chiedere,
আমরা যে বলি যশোদা নন্দন ব্রজ জনরঞ্জন, তাহলে উনি যশোদার পুত্র নন, উনি দেবকীর পুত্র।
But we sing that Shri Krishna is Yashoda Nanda,
Però
but he is Devaki Nanda. He is not the son of Mayashoda.
è
তাহলে উনি বসুদেবের
Yasoda
পুত্র, উনি বাসুদেব।
Vasudeva.
che è figlio di, quindi
উনি নন্দনন্দন নন, অথচ সবাই জানে উনি নন্দনন্দন।
He is not Nanda Nandana. However, we all know that he is Nanda Nandana.
noi diciamo non è che non è, cioè sappiamo che non è Nanda Nandana, però noi
তাহলে এই
diciamo
পুত্রটা অন্যের,
Nanda Nanda,
However, he
figlio
is
di
somebody
Nanda.
else's son,
আমাদের নয়।
not ours.
Di chi è
কিন্তু না,
figlio?
But no,
পরে তো ভাগবত সেইভাবে বর্ণন করছেন না।
Bhagavatam doesn't describe it in such a way.
দেবকী বসুদেবের থেকে হাজার হাজার গুণ অধিক স্নেহ, মমতা, ভালোবাসা নন্দ যশোদার ব্রজবাসী শ্রীকৃষ্ণের প্রতি।
There are much more greater qualities and greater love in the hearts of Nanda Maharaj, Mayashoda, and all of the Vrajavasis if compared to Devaki and Vasudeva.
C'è molto più amore nel cuore di Yasodananda, di Nanda Maharaj, scusate, di Yasoda, di Nanda Maharaj, di tutti i Vrijavasi, molto di più che nel cuore di Devaki e Vasudeva.
এর ভিতরে রহস্য আছে।
There is a secret behind the words.
C'è un segreto dietro le parole.
কংস কারাগারে চতুর্ভুজ রূপে ওনার আবির্ভাব হয়েছে।
The Lord only appeared in his four-armed
বাসুদেব ইস চতুর্ভুজ,
in the prison of
মথুরাধীশ ইস চতুর্ভুজ,
Mathura
শঙ্খচক্র গদা পদ্মধারী।
is Chaturbhuj holding the conch, the chakra, the mace, and the lotus flower.
তারপরে দেবকী প্রেয়ার করলে উনি চাইল্ড বেবি হয়ে গেছে।
And only after the prayers of Devaki, he appeared as a child.
E poi
ওখানে ঐশ্বর্যের লীলা।
In Mathura is his Aishwarya Leela.
আর জন্ম হয়েছে কোথায়? ভায়া বললেন নন্দ ভবনে, নন্দনন্দন যশোদার পুত্র রূপে উনি জন্মেছেন।
So his appearance took place in Mathura, but his birth took place in Gokula as the son of Yashoda, the son of Nanda Maharaj.
lui è apparso a Mathura, ma la sua nascita ha avuto un luogo a Gokula come figlio di Yasoda e Nanda Maharaj.
কিন্তু জন্ম হয়েছে ওনার যশোদানন্দন রূপে গোকুলে, গোকুল রঞ্জন কান।
However, he was born in Gokula as the son of Maya Shoda.
Quindi
ওনার জন্ম কারাগারে হয়নি,
a Gokula
গোকুলে হয়েছে।
He was born in Gokul.
di Yasoda.
যশোদার পুত্র রূপে হয়েছে।
He was born as the son of
Actually,
Yashoda.
Sri Krishna's mother is Yashoda, father is Nanda Maharaj. এখন দেবকী বসুদেব যেহেতু ভক্ত প্রার্থনা করেছেন, ওই জন্য ওখানেও উনি পুত্র হবার লীলা করেছেন, ওখানে আবির্ভূত হয়েছেন শঙ্খচক্র গদা পদ্ম রূপে।
As Devaki and Vasudev are great devotees of the Lord and they prayed to him, Shri Krishna played as their son and appeared as
দুই
their son.
জায়গায়,
In this way, his appearance took place
ওখানেও
in two places,
এখানেও।
here
Quindi,
and there.
poiché il Devaki e Vasudeva
ওইখানে
erano
ঐশ্বর্য
grandi devoti
মূর্তিতে,
del Signore,
এখানে মাধুর্য
apparve
In
a
Mathura,
loro, poi apparve anche
appeared in the mood of
a
Aishwarya.
Gokula. Quindi in
In
questo
Gokula,
modo
he
ci
appeared
sono
in the mood
state
of Madhurya.
due apparizioni e a
Oppure
Gokula
Narayan.
è nato,
In Mathura, he
è
is
apparso
Narayan.
nel sentimento di Madhurya, scusate.
আর জন্ম হয়েছে গোকুলে, গোকুলানন্দ, গোকুল বিহারী।
And his birth took place in Gokula, his Gokulananda, Gokula Vihara.
যশোদানন্দন রূপে উনি জন্মেছেন।
La sua
He was born as
apparizione
Yashoda
সেম
Nanda.
টাইম, মিডল নাইট,
At the same time,
সেম ডে,
during the midnight,
ওখানে আবির্ভাব,
ma
in
allo stesso
Mathura,
tempo
এখানে
he
জন্ম,
appeared. But here, he took
গোকুলে।
birth in Gokula.
আচ্ছা, সেই সময় পরিবেশ কেমন হয়েছিল?
So what was the atmosphere during that time?
সেই that night,
During that night,
সেই that নাইটের শোভা,
what was the beauty of that night?
সেই সময় ওয়ার্ল্ডের শোভা।
The beauty of the world.
la bellezza del mondo.
সুখদেব দশম স্কন্ধের তৃতীয় অধ্যায়ে, থার্ড চ্যাপ্টারে গিয়ে বর্ণনা করছেন
In the third chapter of the 10th canto,
Del terzo
সেই সময়
capitolo
পরিবেশ কি হয়েছিল।
describes the environment and the atmosphere during the time of Sri Krishna's
nel
appearance.
terzo capitolo del 10° canto Sukadeva Goswami descrive l'atmosfera della notte in cui apparve il Signore.
মথুরায় দেবকী বসুদেব স্তব স্তুতি করেছেন, কিন্তু কোনো উৎসব মহোৎসব হয়নি, কেউ জানতে পারেনি।
In Mathura, Devaki and Vasudev glorified the Lord, but there was no celebration and no one knew about the birth of Sri Krishna.
উৎসব হয়েছে
Quando nacque
উৎসব
da
হয়েছে
Devaki
কোথায়?
e
বলেন
da
গোকুলে।
parte non ci fu
Where did
da
the
Devaki,
celebration take place? It took place in
non ci fu
Gokula.
nessuna festa, nessuna celebrazione. Ma quando il Signore apparve in
গোকুলে
Gokula,
হয়েছে আনন্দ উৎসব, যাকে নন্দ মহোৎসব বলা হচ্ছে, নন্দোৎসব বলা হচ্ছে।
This joyful festival happened in Gokula and it is called Nanda Mahotsava.
questo gioioso festival che ebbe luogo a Gokula.
মর্নিং টাইম, নুন টাইম,
And that is celebrated during the morning and noontime.
যাকে নন্দ মহোৎসব বলে বর্ণনা করা হয়েছে,
And it is described as Nanda Mahotsava
নন্দোৎসব।
or Nandotsava.
Quindi viene descritto come Nandotsava.
সমস্ত ব্রজবাসী জানতে পারলেন যে গোপরাজ নন্দের পুত্র হয়েছে, মা যশোদার পুত্র হয়েছে।
All of the Vrajavasis got to know on the next day that Nanda Maharaj and Maya Shoda had a son.
সবাই জানেন উনি যশোদানন্দন, নন্দনন্দন,
Everyone knows
বসুদেব নন্দন।
that he is the son of Nanda Maharaj and Maya Shoda and not of Vasudev or Devaki.
আর নন্দ যশোমতীর সঙ্গে যেভাবে লীলা, ব্রজবাসীর সঙ্গে যেভাবে লীলা, দেবকী বসুদেবের সঙ্গে সেইভাবে লীলা নয়।
And the pastimes that Shri Krishna played with Nanda Maharaj, Maya Yashoda, and all of the Vrajavasis do not exist in
দেবকীর সঙ্গে
Mathura.
এরকম লীলা হয়েছে,
They never played in such a way with Devaki and Vasudeva.
বসুদেবের সঙ্গে ওইরকম লীলা হয়েছে, মথুরায় ওইরকম লীলা হয়েছে, যেরকম লীলা বৃন্দাবনে গোকুলে হয়েছে।
Are there such pastimes in Mathura as there are in Vrindavan and Gokula?
সেই সময়ের যে শোভা,
The beauty of that time
ভাগবত তার বর্ণনা দিয়েছে।
is described in Srimad Bhagavatam.
সেই সময়ের অ্যাটমসফিয়ার, সেই সময়ের চারিদিকের যে সুন্দর পরিবেশ,
The beautiful atmosphere all around during that time.
আমরা টুমোরো এগেন
Tomorrow,
আমরা
once
তো
again,
মথুরায় জন্ম বললাম,
we
সাবস্টেন্স বললাম,
will discuss this topic. Today we only discuss the substance of Shri Krishna's appearance in Mathura.
কিন্তু গোকুলে যে যশোদানন্দন রূপে, যশোদার পুত্র রূপে ওনার যে জন্ম,
However, Shri Krishna's birth as the son of Maya Yashoda in Gokula,
সেটা
Oggi abbiamo
আগামীকাল
discusso solo dell'apparizione a Mathura, domani
মথুরায় আবির্ভাব আর জন্ম কোথায়? আসল বাত হলো গোকুলে।
in Mathura Shri Krishna appeared, but his real birth was in Gokula.
la vera nascita di Krishna è a
মাদার ইজ
Vrindavan
যশোদামা
e la vera madre di Krishna è Yashodama
এবং ফাদার ইজ নন্দমান।
e il vero padre è
বার্থ প্লেস ইজ
Nandamana.
গোকুল,
E il posto dove nasce è Gokula, Vrindavan.
ওইখানেই উৎসব হচ্ছে,
And only there is the celebration of his
নন্দন
appearance.
উৎসব।
E solo lì viene celebrato il Nandotsa.
টুমোরো এগেন,
Domani si parlerà di questo.
নাও ইয়োর ডিনার প্রসাদ টাইম,
E adesso è l'ora di prendere la cena.
ডিনার প্রসাদ টাইম, দিতে ডিনার প্রসাদ।
ভিডিওটি আপনার ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।